Some users have complained that triple clicking doesn't cause guided access to react. Guided access is not working. Why? How to solve? You will find explanations and relevant ways to deal with this issue in this video. Part 1. Why is guided access not working? The guided access function is not turned on. Failed to configure Touch ID, Face ID, or guided access password. The auxiliary shortcut setting is incorrect. The home or side button is damaged, resulting in no response after 3 clicks. Part 2 to 7 ways to fix guided access not working on iPhone, iPad. Fix 1. Re-enable guided access. Navigate to Settings app on your iPhone. Select Accessibility Guided Access. Switch off the guided access option and exit the Settings app. Return to the guided access option and toggle the feature on. Fix 2. Review the guided access settings. Disable side button and volume buttons to prevent accidental use. Turn off motion to lock auto rotate. Remove keyboards within the app. Set a time limit for guided access to auto deactivate. Fix 3. Check accessibility shortcut. Launch your iPhone settings app. Select the accessibility option. Swipe down to select the accessibility shortcuts option. Make sure guided access is enabled on the accessibility shortcuts page. Otherwise, click guided access to choose it. Fix 4. Restart or force restart your iPhone. If your guided access won't turn on or your iPhone is stuck in guided access, you can see if the problem can be resolved by simply restarting or force restarting the device. Fix 5. Update your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Choose the General option. Tap the Software Update option on the next screen. Check if there is a new iOS version available. If yes, tap the Update Now or Install Now button. Enter your iPhone's passcode to continue. Fix 6. Reset all settings on your iPhone. Navigate to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone iPad Reset. Reset all settings and enter your screen passcode to confirm the reset. Fix 7. Repair iOS system to fix guided access not working without data loss. Using iOS system recovery is a very effective remedy that you can try. It can resolve many Apple-related system issues such as boot loop, stuck on Apple logo, iPhone not turning on, etc.